Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain the next topic of the chapter 7 Factorization of Algebraic Expression. The today's topic is factorization of algebraic expression expressible as a perfect square. In this topic, the factorization of algebraic expression expressible as a perfect square involves the following entities. The entity first is p square plus 2pq plus q square goes to p plus q whole square and it becomes p plus q and p plus q. And the another entity is p square minus 2pq plus q square equals to p minus q whole square. It can be written as p minus q in first bracket and the second bracket is p minus q. फ्रेंड्स, आज हम फैक्टराइजेशन का नया टाइप पढ़ेंगे जिसमें हम ऐसे अलजेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन को फैक्टराइज करेंगे जो एज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन सकते हैं या उनको बनाया जा सकता है. तो लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज एग्जांपल्स वी कैन सॉल्व हाउ टू फैक्टराइज algebraic expression expressible as a perfect square. Come on to the example number first. The example number first is factorize 9a square plus 24ab plus 16b square. In this case, first we check which identity is used here. In this expression, all the signs of the terms are positive. Now we can use the identity a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now first we write 9a square as a form in the form of a square and 16b square in the form of b square. Now it becomes 9 can be written as 3 square a square plus 24ab plus 16 can be written as 4 square b square. Now by using law of exponent we can write 3 square a square as a 3a whole square. Again we can use law of exponent here. 4 square b square can be written as 4b whole square. Now using identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here we write 2 because in the formula in the identity 2 it comes to come, so we can write 2 and the a. Here a is 3a in multiply by 3a into b and b is 4b. Now we can check by multiplying it gives 24ab or not. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 24a into b 24ab. Now we can write this expression like this: 3a square plus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 4b square, means in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is the identity of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Now putting the value of a and b in this expression, now it becomes a is 3a plus b is 4b. Now b is 4b, we can write 3a plus 4b whole of square. This is the answer, or this is the factorization. Is it clear? Now come on to the next example. Example number second is factorize l plus m whole square minus 4lm. First we can open the bracket by using the identity a plus b whole square and it becomes l square plus m square plus 2lm minus 4lm. Here we can see that these are like terms. 2lm and 4lm both are like terms. Now sign of these terms are one is positive and the other is negative. Now we subtract these terms, so it becomes l square plus m square minus 2 times l into b, 2lm. Now using identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2 times a into b. We can write the expression in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab we can write L square as L ka square, M square as M whole square, minus 2 times A is to L and B is M. Now this anti A square plus B square minus 2AB gives A minus B whole square. Now putting the value of A and B here, now it becomes A is L, so L minus B is M, L minus M whole of square. This is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next example, that is factorize 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. In this expression, first we check which entity is used there. So in the both the entities a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, the square term signs are always positive, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So here 25a square is positive, but minus 4b square, this term is negative. Now in this term we can not use the identity, so we take last three terms. First term is written as follows, and the last three term we take common minus, because after taking minus as a common, sign of 4b square and 49c square both are becomes positive. So taking minus as a common, then the अंदर ही साइन क्या बचेगा हमारा 4b square minus minus plus 4b square minus plus minus 28bc and minus plus minus minus plus 49c square. Is that clear? Now using the entity, it can be written as 25a square minus here 4b square. Now 4 can be written as 2b whole square minus 28bc plus 49c square. 49 can be written as 7 square, then it becomes 7c whole square. Now using the entities, a square minus 2ab plus b square gives a minus b whole square. Using the entity this here, now it becomes 25a square minus in bracket here 2b square minus, in the formula 2 comes, then we can write 2 here into a is 2b and b is 7c plus 7c whole square. Now by multiplying we can check this term equals 28bc, 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28 b into c. Now we can write this as 2b minus 7c whole of square. Is that clear? And the first term is 25a square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. Now again we use the entity, we can write 25a square as 5a whole square minus 2b minus c, 2b minus 7c whole square. Now using the entity a square minus b square, a square minus b square, here a is 5a and b is 2b minus 7c. Now we can write it as 5a square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. 5a square here क्या था हमारा क्वेश्चन बचा था, 5a square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. Now it becomes 2b minus 7c whole square. Now using entity a square minus b square, it becomes a square minus b square equals to, first bracket is a plus b and the another bracket is a minus b. Now using the entity, it becomes 5a minus 2b minus 7c, the first bracket, and the second bracket is 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Now open the bracket, it becomes 5a minus 2b plus 7c. and the another bracket is 5a plus 2b minus 7c, and this is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next question, that is example number 4. The example number 4 is factorize 1 plus 2x plus x square. In this example, we can write 1 as 1 square plus x square as x whole square, and according to formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the a square term is present here, b square term is also present here, and we can make the form of 2ab. Now we can write 2 into a is 1 and the b is x. Now by multiplying we can check it gives 2x or not. 2 into 1, 2 into x, 2x, it gives 2x. Now we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab as a plus b whole of square. Now putting the value of a and b here, so a is 1 plus b is x, then it becomes 1 plus x whole square. Is that clear? Coming to the last question, that is example number 5, factorize l square plus l plus 1 by 4. In this example, we can write l as l square plus 1 by 4 as 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 is as 2 square. Now it becomes l square plus l plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now using the identity, it becomes l square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 times l into 1 by 2. Now we can check, after multiplying 2 is 2 cancel, it becomes l into 1 l. Now using the identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square gives a plus b whole of square. Now putting the value of a and b by comparing, it becomes a is l plus b is 1 by 2. It becomes l plus 1 by 2 whole of square. So by using this method, we can factorize of algebraic expression which is expressible as a perfect square. Thank you friends.